Hello folks, right, here we have the Soundscape project. First is a little Bluetooth speaker, pop that onto the plinth, and this is one Oxford Structures signal box. Pop it on there, all looks very nice, a nice resin cast building. But what makes it nicer if you add the Soundscape project and we give it a signal box interior. And hopefully you can hear there, you've got a clock ticking. That's nice enough. How about adding a background to it? Should we put it in the countryside? So there's your signal box in the country lane. Oh, here comes a train. Maybe you don't fancy the signal box in the country. Should we have it somewhere else? Maybe, for example, on a harbour quayside. Another train approaches, so maybe the level crossing. Or maybe it's a modern level crossing. Whatever it is, the signalman needs to do his business. And of course, once that's done, well, who knows? Maybe he'll need a cup of tea. Or maybe, of course, you have to leave the building. And that's the Soundscape project. Read more and play. Thank you for watching.